Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the grates and positioning them where you can work comfortably. Put on gloves now. Once done, pour a 1 white vinegar and water mix into a tub and fully submerge the stainless steel grates for 30 to 60 minutes. Acid breaks down iron oxide. Make sure to have a brass brush, nylon scrub pad, and baking soda nearby. You'll use those next to mechanically lift loosened rust and neutralize remaining acidity. Now you scrub. Take the brass brush or stainless safe pad and work along the metal grain. This removes loosened oxide without deep scratches. For persistent spots, mix baking soda into a paste, apply, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Baking soda neutralizes vinegar and gives mild abrasion. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove residue and particles, and inspect the grate for remaining rust or shallow pitting, so you can decide whether another cycle is needed. After rinsing, dry the grates immediately with a clean towel, then place them on the grill and heat for 10-15 minutes to drive off residual moisture. This prevents flash rust. Once warm, apply a light coat of high smoke point oil to each bar. That creates a protective polymerized layer when you preheat the grill for 15 minutes. If you still see deep pitting or stubborn rust, use a commercial rust remover gel carefully or consider replacing the grate, because structural damage compromises safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.